We're looking at question 24 on the AP Statistics Midterm Review Packet, and we're told to use scenario 2-1. And that scenario gives us the salaries of 20 employees at a large company, and they're ordered numerically for us. Now we're told, suppose each employee gets a $3,000 raise, which means you're going to increase their salary by $3,000. How is that going to affect the z-scores? That's what we're being asked in question 24. So the z-scores of the salaries of the employees, will they be unchanged? Will they increase by 3,000? Will they be multiplied by 3,000? How about increase by the square root of 3,000 or decrease by 3,000? That's what we're being asked. So let me rephrase this. What we're really trying to find is, how does adding $3,000 change each employee's z-score? That's what that highlighted part's really telling us. Okay, let me rephrase that. And what that means is, we're really trying to figure out, how does adding $3,000 change the number of standard deviations each employee is away from the mean? Because that's really what a z-score is, the number of standard deviations away from the mean. Now, if you're ever asked to state the z-score, make sure you state the direction, if it's above the mean or if it's below the mean. That's a crucial thing when you're stating your z-scores. But let me just actually now think about the real question that's being asked here. Because we are asked, hey, the z-scores are going to be affected how? But I actually want to relate this to what's going on. Is we're really trying to figure out, how does addition affect spread? How does transforming data affect the spread of a distribution? So if I'm transforming by addition or subtraction, which was going on here, we are adding 3,000. How does that affect the spread? Now, keep this in mind. This should help you with question 23 as well. Because notice you heard me say in the blue up above, that z-scores are the number of standard deviations away from the mean, and standard deviations are used to describe spread, which you can see over here. Notice question 23 talks about how is standard deviation affected by a pay increase. So maybe question 24 can help you with question 23. Now, the answer to that question, how does adding or subtracting affect standard deviation, affect z-scores, or affect spread? And the answer is, it doesn't. It does not affect with addition or subtraction. Standard deviations and variances and spread are only affected by multiplication or division. So it's not affected by addition or subtraction, so therefore the answer here is A. I wanted to do this one because it does help you with question 23 as well, since z-scores are the number of standard deviations away from the mean, and it's kind of to put it in your mind again that we are affecting standard deviations only by multiplication or division, not by addition or subtraction.